Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will learn how to install Boxfort software, which can be used to simulate the GNM codes for prismatic as well as cylindrical parts. So it is a better practice and better approach to simulate the GNM codes before dumping those codes for the real-time manufacturing. So currently in our departmental lab, the Boxfort machine tool is available, which can be run in lathe mode as well as in the mill mode. So if we have this software installed in our PCs or in our computer, we can simulate our codes before dumping those codes for the CAM purpose or for manufacturing. So I would like to pay special thanks for providing these files available or for making these files available along with the installation video. So before installing this software, you have to ensure that the following files are available, which include, let me show you. So you have to ensure that we have VM Workstation software, Windows XP, Windows XP CD key, and Boxfort V10 version. So why it is important to have Windows XP? Because this software is compatible with the Windows XP if you are using the advanced window or Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10, then it can be run and installed via VM Workstation software. So VM Workstation software can be used in the advanced version to install the Boxfort simulator or Boxfort software and to simulate the GNM codes. Apart from these softwares or these files, you have to ensure that WinRAR and Power ISO is also installed in the PC to extract those files. So the first step is to copy the Boxfort version 10 into USB drive for the later purpose or for first. It is very important to copy the Boxfort file into USB drive for later use. So currently before installing Windows XP, you have to ensure that the VM Workstation is installed in your computer. So let me start the installation of the VM Workstation. The serial keys are also available. Press next. Check I agree. Choose typical. Click next. Better to uncheck. So the installation has been completed. Click on the finish button, minimize this, and then here you can see the icon is provided on the desktop. So click on this VMware Workstation. Click on the create a new virtual machine. Now we are going to install the Windows XP for making the installation of this file, or for ensuring the installation of the Boxfort software. Currently I have Windows 10, so as I told that this software is only compatible with the Windows XP, so it is important to use the virtual machine and install Windows XP before installing this software. Select the typical, click next. Here you can see we have the image of Windows XP available, so we can browse for that image. Now you can see here, click on this Windows XP and open. Click on next. So you have to provide the CD key. Open this file. Copy this key, Ctrl C, and paste it here. Type your name, for example CNC. Password, it is optional, so ignore it. Click on next button. Click next. Define the space, so you can define the space, or you can define it in the range of 4 to 6 GB. Let's say 5 GB, and click on the store virtual disk as a single file. Press the next button. Click finish. The installation of Windows XP has been started in the virtual machine. We have to wait for the Windows installation till it get finished. It will take some time. During installation of Windows XP, it is better to copy the Boxfort V10 folder into USB, because later on you will use, or we will access the USB from the virtual machine. So the Windows XP has been installed using virtual machine. Ignore the messages. Now we can see Windows XP desktop. Let the installation get completed. The installation of Windows XP has been completed. Now bring the My Computer icon on the desktop. So follow the same procedure which we followed a decade ago. Now click on this desktop, customize desktop, and click on this and check this My Computer. Click OK, apply, press OK. Now you can see the My Computer icon has been appeared on the desktop. Next step is to remove the floppy drives, because we don't need to have floppy drive. So to remove, what we have to do, click on this, right click on My Computer icon, click on this manage button, go to device manager. Here you can see the floppy drives. Click on this and then uninstall, because we don't need floppy drive. So the floppy drive has been uninstalled. You can check. Then next step is to plug in the USB where the Boxfort folder has been copied. So when you plug in the USB, sometime in the virtual machine the USB is not being detected. So what you have to do, go to VMware. Here you can see removable devices and go to Realtek USB and press this connect button. So automatically it will get connected and the USB will be detected in the virtual machine by the Windows XP. One more thing, if let me make it full screen. Sometime it may also give an error. So what you have to do, go to manage My Computer and press this manage button, go to disk management. When you click on the disk management, this drives will appear. One is external USB, the other is the space that is being allocated during installation of the Windows XP in the virtual machine. So click on this USB and go to change drive letter and path. So here you can see change, so make it A and then press OK and close it. So this may solve your problem. Now when you double click on the My Computer, now you can see the USB has been detected. Now click on this USB, copy the files and paste it in directly in the USB. Similarly, copy the files from folder 2 and paste it directly in USB. Now go to Boxfort. Now you can see the setup. Now double click on the setup file. It may take some time. Now the setup has been started. Press next button. Yes. Name CNC, company name Mechanical Engineering Department. Serial number, copy the serial number. Now you can see here the file has been provided. Copy this key and paste it here. Press next button, next, next. Now the setup has been started. The setup has been completed. Now I will restart my computer later. Click on the finish button. Now go to start button. Close these files. Click on the start button and click on all programs. Now you can see Boxford KTCam. Here you can see Boxford V10 KTCam application. And you click on this. Click on this lathe mode or miller mode. It's up to you. So I am clicking on the lathe mode 160 TCL. Now go to setting. Click on the current user. Now you can see, click on this administrator. So click OK button without putting any password. So click on this GNM. Now give the file name. For example, I am giving my name. Click save, and here you can put the dimension for the workpiece. Because you select the lathe mode, here you can see cylindrical part, so you can mention the dimension and click this OK. Here I have to feed certain dimension. Click OK. Now here you can write your code or program of instructions which consist of GNM codes, and you can easily simulate it using these different keys available on the right side. So this was all about the installation, and now in this simulator you can check your programs, your instructions, and you can simulate them before dumping those instructions or those GNM codes for direct manufacturing. Close the program. It is better to create a shortcut icon. Copy and paste it here. Now you can see the Boxford V10 KTCam application has been copied on the desktop for quick access. So this was all about the installation of the Boxford software, which can be used as a simulator for simulating GNM codes before dumping those codes for direct manufacturing. After practicing GNM codes in the simulator, you need to turn off the virtual machine. So here you can see first you have to turn off the window, shut down or power off. And then you can close the simulator. So you have to wait for the complete shutdown of the Windows XP in the virtual machine. Now you can see you can turn off or you can close the virtual machine. So this was all about the procedure which you need to follow to run the Boxfort software in the advanced versions are in the Windows 7 or Windows 10. So this is a procedure because this software is only compatible with the Windows XP. So you can run your Windows XP in the virtual machine and you can use the Boxfort simulator to check the GNM codes or program of instruction which you have designed and which you have drafted. In addition, I have also drafted the stepwise procedure for installing the Boxfort software or simulator. Here you can see all the steps are being mentioned which I have followed during installation. So you can follow those steps. I will provide the file as well, so you can follow these steps to install this simulator. So this was all about this video lecture or installation regarding the Boxfort software. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.